Hey friends, Tony here of TL Yarn Crafts, and I am so excited to finally spill the beans about a project I have been working on for months. This is the French Press Crochet Along, and it starts in just a couple of weeks. It's a fun collaboration between myself and my good friend Ashley of Montana Crochet. Our Crochet Along will be a 6-week party for crocheters around the world to make my new design, the French Press Cardi. Ain't she cute? Oh, ain't she cute? All right, so what is a crochet along anyway? Essentially, we'll all be making our projects from start to finish together. Everyone who signs up for the crochet along will get the full pattern in week 1, but we will have weekly milestones and check-ins via our private Facebook group and our Cal email list. This way you get to choose your own adventure. You can whiz through the pattern. Honestly, you could get this done in like 3 days. Or take it easy with us, follow the milestones, and take your time. It is totally up to you. And while you're connecting with each other while we crochet, you're also going to be entered into 4 amazing giveaways with goodies from partners like Harper Baby Hooks, Jimmy Beans Wool, and Furls. There will even be some Cal exclusive discounts. You will not want to miss this. Okay, so do you want to know like some more about the actual cardigan? Like, you ready? Okay, here we go. I am truly beyond elated with how this piece turned out, and I find that it's a great transition piece as we move into fall. I fell in love with Ashley and Montana Crochet earlier this year when I was drooling over some of her yarns. We got to chatting and fell even more in love with each other, and we knew a collaboration was just over the horizon. But then she hit me with this gorgeous like tonal mocha colored yarn, and that was the nail in the coffin. We had to make this happen. The result is the French Press Cardi, which is a beginner to intermediate cardigan pattern, and you can style it a million different ways. It's sized from a small all the way to a 3XL, and it's super easy to adjust. Along with this pretty mocha color, Ashley has also come up with 2 other latte inspired colorways, and I'll tell you more about those later. Just hold your horses. The crochet along itself is broken up into 3 manageable chunks, and I'll have tutorial videos every single week to help you along the way. If you have any level of crochet experience, and especially if you're looking to make your first cardigan, then this is the piece for you. Both Ashley and I have made the piece, me several times, so we'll be moderating the Facebook group and answering your questions as they come up. If you're still watching this video, I assume that means you're as excited as I am for this crochet along. So here's what happens next. Registration for the crochet along opens August 30th at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. For the $19 registration fee, you get all of the following: early access to the full French Press Cardi pattern, which does not go on sale for the public until the entire crochet along is done, admission to our exclusive Facebook group, entry into all of our incredible giveaways, weekly emails from yours truly with tutorial videos and check-ins, and access to crochet along exclusive discounts from our partners. Make sure you mark your calendars. Registration for the crochet along opens on August 30th, but it closes for good on September 9th. Don't get left out in the cold on this one, babes. I need you here with me. Go ahead and sign up for my Cozy Club email newsletter, and then you're gonna get updates throughout this week, as well as a 9 a.m. wake-up call on registration day. Thanks so much for checking out this video. Ashley and I can't wait to see you in the French Press Crochet Along. Bye.